Hey there, welcome back to Money Mode. Today, we're diving into a weird, but true question. Why do smart people often make dumb money decisions? Why does a highly paid doctor live paycheck to paycheck? Why does a brilliant engineer lose all his money in the stock market? The answer goes beyond logic and numbers. Let's take a deeper look together. Research shows that high IQ doesn't guarantee wealth. In fact, many billionaires have average intelligence. On the flip side, smart people often overanalyze and chase complexity, and that can lead to analysis paralysis. Let's take Alex, a highly skilled software developer. He was always top of his class, but now, at 35, he still can't save money. Why? Because every time he wants to invest, he watches 100 videos and reads too much, and ends up doing nothing because he's still unsure. That's analysis paralysis. Money is emotional, not just logical. Fear of losing money, or the greed for more, can destroy our judgment. Even the smartest people make bad choices when they're scared. Fear shuts down logic. Many of our money decisions come from childhood. If you grew up hearing money is the root of evil, you might unconsciously feel guilty about saving or investing. And that affects your choices even if you're smart. Smart people are used to winning. This can lead them to believe they can't be wrong. They may take risky financial steps without thinking. Because they believe, I'm smart, I know what I'm doing. That's overconfidence bias. In the end, intelligence is important, but habits matter more. If you repeat a bad financial habit every month, it'll ruin you in the long run. A smart person with impulsive spending habits can still end up broke. Consistent money behaviors are more powerful than any college degree. So now that we know the why, what can we do about it? First, awareness. Know that being smart doesn't protect you. Second, recognize your emotions. Analyze your fears and greed. Third, build simple financial habits. Save, budget. Fourth, get advice. Sometimes the answers are clearer outside your own head. In the world of money, intelligence alone isn't enough. You need awareness, discipline, and emotional control. There are tons of smart people still trapped in debt and financial stress. But you don't have to be one of them. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Comment below. Have you ever made a money decision you knew was wrong but did it anyway? Why? I'd love to read your story. Until next time, take care of your mind and your money.